channel. My name is Cherisse and today we'll be filming my low maintenance hair care routine. And guys, when I say low maintenance, we are going to prep and wash this hair in 1 hour. That's the plan. This is great if you are a busy bee like me, if you're a mom, if you're a business owner making that coin, or honestly just fed up of spending hours in the shower on wash day, because honestly, who really has the time these days? So alright guys, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I've got my hair out and I'm just gonna separate my hair into equal sections. So if you can see here, I've already done these 4 at the back and I'm doing it in 3 sections on each side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this one up. Grab a bobby pin. Right, so we are ultimately going to start with this section today. So rule number 1, guys, in your low maintenance hair care routine, detangle your hair before you start. And for those of you who are thinking, but what if my hair is dry? What if it's matted, old and crispy? Not the crispy hair. That's fine, because what we're going to use to detangle this hair, all of that will not be a problem. Can any one of you guess what it is? Can anyone? I'll share. So it is aloe. I don't know if you guys can see that. My old faithful aloe vera, guys. This is the key to starting your wash day completely detangled. The slip is incredible and it has amazing moisture and protein levels. So it's almost like you're giving your hair treatment, like a pre-poo treatment before you even actually treat your hair. So we're gonna apply this all over our hair, and after that we're going to detangle it with our detangler brush. So let's go ahead and get started. Because I have thick hair, I always get quite a lot of buildup on my scalp. So using a clarifying shampoo for my scalp is a must to really get all the dirt off. A little bit of this goes a long way, so I try not to overuse it as it can be a little bit drying for your hair. I use just what I need to achieve a clean scalp, and I massage it in ultimately for about 5 minutes. Once I finish clarifying my scalp, I then double cleanse with a moisturizing shampoo, concentrating predominantly on my hair. Today I'm using the Aussie Coil sulfate-free shampoo with cocoa butter and macadamia oil. It has great slip as well, so you can pretty much finger detangle as you wash with it, and that's key in really keeping your hair tangle free. And I'm stressing on detangling, guys, because honestly I believe this is where most of the time everything goes wrong during this process. So detangling can be both frustrating, it can be time consuming, and potentially damaging as well if you don't use the correct tools, products, and just have the level of patience applied to this process. We're going to move on to conditioning our hair, and today I'm using the Herbal Essence Hydration Mask, the one in the blue tub. I absolutely love this. Sometimes if I want a little bit more moisture to it, I will add some honey and some olive oil to the mixture. I make sure to coat my hair from roots to tip, and I'm sticking to the sections, guys, that we would have created already. It just makes life so much easier to just stick with these sections. And this step, which is honestly, it can sometimes be the longest step, actually now it should be the shortest step, just because of all the steps and the processes that we went through already, and keeping our hair like detangled from the beginning straight through. And it will be short, guys, because we've already detangled our hair ultimately. However, we are going to go over it one more time with our detangling brush just to make sure all the knots are out. This should be a swift swipe through with the brush, guys, honestly. And then we're just going to go ahead and twist back each section. Bun it and just leave it in for about half an hour if you want. Sometimes you can do 15 minutes. I like to leave mine in quite a bit longer, so I would take a half an hour shower, and I would make sure to just use the time to have a little bit of self-care for myself. Maybe do a shave, a scrub, some exfoliation, maybe a shower oil in the process, and then I'd go ahead and wash out my hair lastly. And then that's it, guys. Your hair should feel honestly so amazing.
Trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later.
Okay, guys, so we are officially done washing our hair. And this is how it's looking. It's starting to shrink up actually. But I think we did pretty good. I just checked the clock and we did actually 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it's not too bad. It wasn't under an hour, but it's not too bad. I mean, given the density of my hair as well and the length of my hair, I think we did quite good. If you've got shorter hair or, you know, of a lighter texture as well, I think you can do it definitely in under an hour. So yeah, I think we did really good. So now it's time to style our hair or just moisturize it. I'm just gonna moisturize it again, as you guys know. Pop it in braids until I decide what I'm gonna do with it. And again, that's gonna be fast because we've already detangled our hair, so it's already soft. And we just need to pop the moisture in, put our shea butter in, and that's it up. So yeah, that's what we're about to do now. So I'm gonna do that, guys, in a little time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Guys, so these are the finished results. My hair feels so clean, hydrated, and plump, and we did this in just an hour and 15 minutes. I'm really happy that I was able to show you guys wash day does not need to take half the day. For those days where you don't have a lot of time, this is proof that we are able to do our hair in just over an hour. I really hope this brings you enlightenment for your hair care routine. I'll link all the products below that I use. Don't forget to subscribe if you really enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment on what you might like to see next, or just to say hi. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.